I am Thomas Kurian, an interventional cardiologist at LMH Health and cardiovascular specialist of Lawrence. There's magic in cardiology, there's no question. And I've often thought about either becoming a heart surgeon or a cardiologist. And it so happened that this is the route I took. Every individual has to stand on three things: faith, family, and friends. That's what you stand on. So build that up, I tell them. You start concentrating on those three aspects of your life. And then, from the cardiac point of view, I tell them, you think of prevention, prevention, and prevention. And then you also think of treatment. Get the right diagnosis, the right treatment, and staying positive. So have hope, don't despair. There's always something we can find out in the vast majority of patients. We can always help, even when things don't look well, look very unfavorable. We always can find something to do to help you in the vast majority of patients. So that's been my philosophy of treatment, is to give hope to people, to give hope and advice to people, and try to nurture just not the body, but their souls and their spirits. I think spending time when you first meet the patient, spending enough time giving the patient a good exam, hearing them out, giving them the time of the day is very important. Getting to know their symptoms is probably the most important thing. Once you know that, then you can formulate your plans. Giving them a good examination will give you a lot of tips and clues to what's going on with their hearts. And then go on to do the right exams, the right tests and exams, and then it becomes a little easier after that. Be patient with me, to give me time sometimes to come up with the right answers, but we will always work to try and find the answer to their problems. So I will persevere and persist till we find the answer or solution, answer and solution to your problems. So I will work hard. I'm somewhat of a perfectionist, which sometimes can be bad, but that's the way I am in the cath lab. And as people will get to know me, they will find that about me, that I strive hard in what I do, especially with my procedures, to be very meticulous and precise and do the best I can for people.